So I'm just making a quick video. Gonna ask you guys to send me emails in Brightspace. Go into Brightspace, send me an email from up here. Let's just go into email and just send me an email in Brightspace and let me know where your abandoned cart email is coming from and where your Winback series emails is coming from. So whatever company you chose, that'll make it a little easier for me to find your email in my Yahoo inbox. Because right now I have so much junk in here, so much spam and stuff and different things that I'm having a hard time like finding everything. I did find abandoned cart. I found Megan's and Erica's. If you sent me an abandoned cart email and I just haven't found it, please let me know. Just send me an email. And then the Kate Spade, follow along emails. I have mostly everyone's. I think I might be missing a few, but so this one's from Erica H. This one's from Blue Ninja Snoopy. So that's from Natalie Verplugen. Megan, Elias, Eduardo, Canyon, which might be Marshall, and Lane. So I am missing a couple of these still. So if you don't have this in, send this to me. I know it's from Kate Spade, so I should be able to find it. But do let me know when you send it to me. Just send me an email in Brightspace saying, hey, I sent that out. And then the abandoned cart emails, I have those segregated out here. I have one from Megan, and maybe I already went over that. But anyway, and then the Winback emails, I have Erica's so far. So, and she sent them in really quick succession so that they were all together in my inbox. And hopefully when you guys go to send these, don't send them one at a time. Send them all at one time when you're done with all 3 designs. Send them all at one time so that it's easy for me to find them. Because the fact that Erica sent them all at the same time made it really easy to find in my inbox. So if you can just send me an email in Brightspace and let me know which company your abandoned cart email came from and which company your Winback series will come from, let me know. And then if I'm missing anybody's stuff and I'm going to be grading these soon, just let me know that, hey, I sent that, you must have missed it, kind of thing. Or it may have even gone into my spam folder, which I need to look in there. But anyway, just wanted to clear up a couple of things with these emails. All right, thanks.